Hello and welcome to a new walking tour video. Today is August 4th and this time I came to check out the National Bank Open 2024 at Sobeys Stadium in Toronto. It's very hot and humid today, guys. 30 degrees. It's free entry this long weekend during the qualifying stage and there's a lot of activities for the kids and family. Okay guys, I just made it through the gates, so let's start this quick tour. The National Bank Open is the ATP and WTA tournament played in Canada. Every year they switch locations for men and women, so this year men are going to play in Montreal while women here in Toronto.
That's all we can.
There's a nice patio to enjoy drinks in this area. And the food court is over here.
It is a lot of magical, especially this. Driving. Now we the shorts of the now.
These are the practice courts. so people can check out athletes while they're practicing too.
La que está ahí, sentada. Enséñale tu pelota. You guys see her then?
Score was optional. You had to do it.
Now I'm heading to the main court, also known as the grandstand court, to enjoy a match. It looks like a match just ended and the crowd is getting out. I'll try to make my way in to enjoy the next match, guys. Okay, I'm in. While I find where to sit, I want to thank you for watching this video. And if you've already subscribed to my channel, I want to thank your support. I truly appreciate it. I'm ready to enjoy the next match, Erika Andreeva versus Carson Branstein. Okay guys, I hope you like this tour and see you in the next video. Goodbye.